Hello, my name's Moffat and I'm a women's health coach, which essentially means that I help women with their pelvic floors. So a lot of the women I work with are mums, but not everybody. And everyone, I think, just assumes that women who've had babies only have pelvic floor issues. And you kind of get that for obvious reasons, but I help any woman with a pelvic floor issue. So that could be athletes, it could be people who've had hysterectomies, it could be menopausal women, it could be people who've suffered from abuse, like sexual abuse, women who've had stillbirths, lots and lots of different types of women. And I like that. I like having the variety. So my background is as an elite athlete, and then I was a normal personal trainer, and then I had two very, very contrasting birth experiences. So one was the worst, most traumatic, horrendous experience of my life, and one was the most empowering and beautiful and amazing experience of my life. And those two experiences kind of helped me really know that I was put on this earth to help women connect with their bodies, and that's what I do on a day-to-day basis. So I run courses, and I do workshops, and I do one-to-ones, and I do corporate work as well. So I'm kind of at the moment trying to scale everything up a wee bit in terms of the impact that I'm making, but really my bread and butter is running my classes and my courses. And I do really specific work around pelvic floor, so kind of helping people that have pelvic floor dysfunction, getting their pelvic floor working better and helping them. But then also, once you've done that, there's not really much out there in the world of fitness for women who want to train in what I'd call a pelvic floor friendly way, but also train quite hard. So I do classes that are sort of high impact, which means hot and sweaty, but no star jumps, no trampolines, no burpees, no high knees, no kind of like double tuck jumpy type things. So no woman would ever wet themselves in my class, and if they ever do, then there's lots and lots of options that I give them. And I do this work because I love it, and it works, and it's like a different approach to women. And I just feel that the fitness industry is not set up for women, and it is set up for women who are really, really confident about their bodies, but for women that are kind of like want to work hard but just don't want to be shouted at and screamed at, there's not really much out there. So that's kind of the gap that I'm filling, and I've just been doing it really for the last 4 years, and I'm exploring it and just seeing where it's going and having a bit of fun with it.